Mercedes just committed the ultimate automotive sin. They ripped the soul-shaking V8 out of the AMG GT4 door and replaced it with batteries. But before you riot, wait until you hear how fast this 1,169 horsepower electric monster actually is. Let's be brutally honest. When you think of AMG, you think of noise. You think of loud, obnoxious, tire-shredding V8 ES that wake up your entire neighborhood. So, turning the flagship GT4 door into a fully electric car, that's a massive gamble. But Mercedes isn't just trying to build another boring, silent iPad on wheels. They're out for blood, specifically Porsche Taycan blood. And the weapons they're using to do it? Absolute insanity. We're talking about the brand new AMG.EA electric platform. Forget everything you know about standard Mercedes EVs because this one is completely different. Underneath the incredibly sleek, concept-inspired bodywork, Mercedes has stuffed 3 revolutionary axial flux electric motors. There's one up front and 2 in the rear. Why does that matter? Because these motors are tiny, incredibly light, and they produce stupid amounts of power. The base GT55 model spits out 816 horsepower and 1,328 pound-feet of torque. That alone will snap your neck. But if you have zero sense of self-preservation, you want the GT63. This thing unleashes a terrifying 1,169 horsepower and 1,475 pound-feet of torque. Let me put that into perspective for you. Plant your foot to the floor and this 2-ton luxury missile will teleport you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a flat 2.0 seconds. Keep your foot pinned and you'll slam into an electronically limited top speed of 186 miles per hour. But speed is just one piece of the puzzle. What about the soul? What happens to the emotion of an AMG when the engine is gone? I'll reveal Mercedes' incredibly controversial solution for that in just a minute. First, let's talk about the design, because you're going to be staring at it a lot. They kept the dramatic, low-slung stance of the AMG GT concept, but refined it for the real world. You get actual flush door handles, an illuminated grille, and these wild triple circular LED taillights out back. And because going fast requires cutting through the air like a scalpel, Mercedes threw in hypercar levels of active aero. There are hidden underbody venturi elements, an extending rear diffuser, and a rear spoiler that automatically deploys and tilts, depending on how fast you're flying down the highway. Inside, it's like stepping onto a spaceship. You've got a massive 14-inch angled display for the driver that flows seamlessly into another screen for the passenger. But here's the best part. They actually listen to us. Instead of forcing you to dig through 5 touchscreen menus just to change a drive mode, they gave us physical, rotary AMG dials on the steering wheel, tactile, satisfying buttons. In 2026, that is a miracle. Plus, they added an electrochromic sky control glass roof that shifts from transparent to frosted instantly. Want to feel like a VIP? Embedded lighting inside the glass project's AMG logos across the roof at night. Oh, and for the first time ever, the electric platform means you actually get a front trunk. But inside that frunk is a very weird Easter egg that I'll show you right at the end. Now, back to the biggest problem with electric sports cars, the charging and the sound. Let's tackle charging first. Normally, waiting at a charger is agonizing. Not here. Thanks to a new 800-volt architecture and direct oil-cooled battery cells, the GT4 door can handle mind-blowing 600 kilowatt fast charging. If you find a station powerful enough, you can blast 286 miles of range into this battery in exactly 10 minutes. 10 minutes, that's barely enough time to buy a stale coffee. But what about the noise? A MG fanatics demand drama. So Mercedes engineered the AMG Force S Plus mode. When you activate it, the car pumps a simulated V8 soundtrack through the speakers, utilizing over 1,600 real-time audio samples based on your throttle input. But they didn't stop at sound. They programmed the motors to simulate brutal physical gear shifts, jerking the car to mimic a real transmission. It's totally fake, but it proves Mercedes knows that raw emotion is the only reason you buy an AMG in the first place. So, what about that hidden detail in the front trunk? In the old V8 cars, you got a metal plaque signed by the single engineer who built your engine. Obviously, there's no V8 anymore. Instead, Mercedes mounted the signature plaque inside the frunk, but now it features a QR code. Scan it with your phone and you instantly get exclusive, behind-the-scenes video messages from the actual engineers and designers who built your specific car. It's completely different. It's controversial, But with nearly 1,200 horsepower and 10-minute charging, the new AMG GT4 door proves that the future of performance isn't boring, it's terrifyingly fast.